Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get back deleted Instagram posts. Stick around, watch the video until the end, and let's get rolling. For more tech tips, tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So most instances, people open Instagram and by accident they delete their posts. So in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your post as soon as possible. As soon as you delete it, we can get it back as soon as possible. So just follow the video until the end and let's get started. So all you can see right now, you open your Instagram applications. This we are going to do it real time, whereby I'm going to show you, I'm going to delete an Instagram post right now, and then I will show you how to recover it immediately as soon as after you delete it. So now this is my Instagram account. This is Dalba Teaches. So this is the post I'm going to delete. This one, how to, down with the YouTube icon there. I'm going to delete it for you, and then I'm going to show you how to recover it in real time as soon as possible. So here you see I'm going to delete the post there. I've deleted it. So delete this post, then tap on delete. Yes, tap on delete. So basically when you delete this post, it disappears from there. As you can see, it has disappeared from my posts, as you can see right there on your screen. So I'm going to help you to recover it back, so that we don't get frustrated. So let's get rolling. So all you have to do is now tap right there in the settings area, then tap on your activity. Tap on, you see settings, archive, then so if you're being ready, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So tap on your activity, and then you will see all these interactions being shown, interaction, photos, videos, and then you're going to scroll down and look for, you see something like recently deleted. So tap on recently deleted. So basically tap on recently deleted. All photos or posts that you deleted within the last 30 days will display here. So basically this trick basically works well when you have deleted the post and it has been within the range of 30 days from the time of deleting. So tap on the post that you deleted now, then tap on those three dots up there, then you're going to see the word delete, then restore. So all you have to do is tap on restore, and then you tap on restore. So if you accidentally deleted this post and you tap on restore, this post is going to be restored to your posts section within your Instagram account. So when you tap on restore, it will appear there. Then when you go back to your posts, and then you try to refresh, when you go back to your posts and then you try to refresh, it will be shown among the posts on top. So basically when you go back, so if you're picking value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So when you go back and then you try to refresh, it will appear that there it is. So that's the video. If you pick value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family for more tech tips, tricks. So make sure you hit the like button so that the algorithm will recommend this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.